Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 5 Satin. Now, these shoes were they were first seen in a classic silhouette back in 1990, but it was never released. You know what I mean? So, here it is in 2018, and it's releasing. Here it is, the Air Jordan 5 Satin. Now, when I first saw the pictures, I wasn't really a fan of them. You know, it flew under the radar for me. But now seeing these in hand, man, these things are nice, man. To me, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all go ahead and take a look at the kicks, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. If you're feeling them, you're not. You know, like I said, they didn't grow on me once I got a chance to see them in hand. You know what I mean? So, let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe, man. Now, the colorway is black and university red. Under the bottom, you got the clear midsole with the red hits. You got the Jordan under the bottom. You can see the satin all around the upper. Got the black laces. Got the black Jumpman on the back. I like that. I saw a video, I forgot who it was. I think it was Unbreakable Kicks, I believe, and him and Measly G, I think it was. And I think that was them. And I heard them wishing that the Jumpman was red on the back. I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing that. You know what I'm saying? So, but this is what we got, so we got to go with it. There's a closer look at that Jumpman. You know, I'm just going to run through this quick, man, because I don't have time to play around and everything. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to just give y'all a quick look at the kicks, man. And, you know, y'all go ahead in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. There was a look at the speckles on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? I think it's dope. You see the shark teeth in black. It's a dope shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it. So that was my look at the Air Jordan 5 Satin. Releasing soon. I don't remember the date. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PelazAir504. Subscribe to this channel. Like, share, comment, and I'ma holler back.